Hi, my name is Fiona Symes. I work for Michelle. I'm a principal environmental consultant and I run a team of about 25 environmental impact assessment project managers. I'm part of a wider team across Michelle which offers environmental consultancy services to all of our clients. We have noise, air quality, ecology, landscape and heritage consultants, so we can kind of offer our clients a one-stop shop when they need environmental consultancy services. So my main role at the moment is project managing a road project over in Northern Ireland. It's basically it's a new motorway which is about 80 kilometres long, and my main role is to ensure that the highways engineers and designers consider the environment and sustainable developments throughout the project life cycle. At the moment we're at the options appraisal stage of the project, and we advise the designers on which is the best option in terms of the environment and how they can design in environmental enhancements to the scheme. So we've looked at all different environmental constraints over a whole study area, and we are now building up to a workshop at the end of the month where we will advise the client and the team on the best option for the environment. After we've chosen the preferred alignment for the road, we then move on to detailed design, and that's where we recommend different types of design that can be used to make the project more sustainable and more environmentally acceptable, and also types of mitigation. This involves our teams of our specialists, so our ecologists, air quality, noise, ecology, heritage, all going out on site and doing much more detailed surveys, collecting a much wider range of baseline information and doing a detailed assessment. Once they've done that assessment and identified the constraints to the road or whichever development project you're working on, and also the opportunities, so we'll write a big report which is called an environmental statement, and that will include all the impacts, the mitigation, and what the developer or the client has to do to reduce or manage those impacts. This is where the mitigation comes in, and for example for landscape we would recommend things like screening a road from views or using embankments or cuttings so that visual receptors or people essentially can't see that road anymore, so it hides it from view. In terms of ecology, if there was going to be impacts on protected species such as otters or bats, we would perhaps create underpasses under the road so the otters could still cross the road without being in danger of being run over or injured on the road. There's a huge variety of mitigation that we can use, but part of my role is to bring that all together and make sure the mitigation for landscape, ecology, noise, air all fits in together and is all acceptable to the client.
Mm-hmm. And Fiona, if you were to be recruiting someone to join your team, what kind of person would you look for as a graduate?
Someone who's going to be an EIA project manager. They need to be very well organised to be able to bring all the information together from all the different parts of the team. They need to be a good communicator and really have a passion for the job that they're doing. It can be quite highly pressured at some points, and you need to have that love of the job to bring you through those hard times, but really someone with kind of ambition and passion is what I'm looking for when I'm recruiting.